You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly in English, also in Japanese. Yes, if you want to learn more names, vocabulary from animes and Japanese, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced in Japanese as Weeaboo, Weeaboo, Weeaboo. In English, it's more commonly pronounced as Weeaboo, Weeaboo. Somebody who is obsessed with Japanese, but that is not Japanese. Weeaboo. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.